Hello everyone. If your USPS package arrived in your city and then suddenly shows it left, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what it means and what you need to do. So this is the most common reason for this particular thing. Even if your package reaches to your city, it may still be routed to the regional distribution center for final sorting. USPS does not always deliver directly from the first facility. It often needs to go through another hub before reaching your local post office. So it may leave your city temporarily before coming back for delivery. Sometimes it's a system correction. If a package is scanned at the wrong facility or routed incorrectly, USPS will redirect it to the correct location. This shows up as the package leaving your city again. It is not lost, it's just being sent to the right processing path. Now, USPS uses the automated systems in order to manage the high volume. So in one facility, if it is overloaded, the packages may be moved to another nearby center for faster processing. This can make it look like your package is moving away, but it's actually part of the delivery process. After processing, it will return to your local post office for final delivery. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.